Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, your one stop shop for all things career, dreams, and chai pe charcha. And today, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You standing at the airport, passport in hand, a bag full of dreams, and your parents, teary but proud faces waving you goodbye. You're about to board a flight to a new country, a place where your future is waiting. Sounds like a Bollywood scene, right? But hold on. Suddenly, the background music stops. You open your email and see visa application rejected. Your heart sinks. All those late night study sessions, all the tuition fee, all the dreams stuck at the embassy's door. You feel lost, confused, maybe angry, and definitely overwhelmed. My friends, you're not alone. Every year, thousands of Indian students face the same heartbreak. But today, we are going to change that story because this episode is all about making the international student visa process as simple as making Maggie noodles. 2 minutes, some patience, and the right ingredients. So grab your chai, sit back, and let's turn those visa blues into a passport to success. So, hello all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So, let's start with the basics. What's a student visa and why is it such a big deal? A student visa is not just a stamp on your passport. It's your golden ticket to study abroad, explore new cultures, and build a future that your parents will boast about to every auntie in the colony. And without it, your dream university is just a picture on your vision board. By getting this visa is not like buying pani puri from your favorite stall. It needs planning, paperwork, and a lot of patience. And if you mess up even a small detail, your whole plan can fall apart faster than a house of cards in a Mumbai monsoon. So now, let's talk about the real villains in our story. Those common visa challenges that every study abroad aspirant faces. And trust me, these are most common than power cuts during IPL matches. Number one, delayed visa processing. Imagine you got your admission letter, packed your bags, and even said bye to your pet dog. But your visa is still processing. Sometimes it's because of too many applications, staff shortages, or just bad luck. But this can mess up your academic schedule and even make you miss orientation day. Number two, incomplete or incorrect applications. A single spelling mistake or missing document can get your application rejected. Yes, even if you're the class topper. Always double check your forms and don't trust autocorrect with your name. And number three, insufficient financial documentation. Most countries want proof that you can pay for your studies and living expenses. If your bank statements are missing, unclear, or full of mysterious transactions, like that sudden 50,000 rupee deposit from Chachaji, your visa can get denied. And number four, health and police clearance issues. Some countries want medical exams and police clearance. Delays in these documents or any surprise findings can slow down your process. The number five, change in visa policies. Sometimes the rules change overnight because of politics or world events. You wake up and suddenly you need three extra documents and a letter from your neighbor's cat. Always stay updated. The number six, underprepared visa interviews. Countries like the United States and Canada want to know if you are a genuine student. If you fumble in the interview or look confused, they might think you're not serious. And number seven, dependence on unreliable agents. Some agents promise the moon but give you a passport to nowhere. So always pick trusted consultants with a good track record. The number eight, missed deadlines. Last minute submissions are a recipe for disaster. If you miss the deadline, you might have to wait another year. Ouch. Let's get real, friends. Visa problems don't just delay a flight, they can change your entire life plan. Academic disruptions. Missing deadlines means missing classes, losing scholarships, or even losing your seat at the university. Then financial losses, application fee, tuition, and even flight tickets are often non refundable. Your parents' hard earned money could go down the drain. And then the emotional stress, the tension and uncertainty can make you feel helpless and frustrated. It's like waiting for your board exam results, but worse. So let's break it down by country because every place has its own masala of challenges. Let's talk about United States first. The main challenge, proving financial stability or ties to India. The simple solution is have strong financial documents and a clear plan to return. Then let's talk about UK. The main challenge is getting CAS and meeting budget criteria. And for that, double check CAS and have a solid financial proof. Talking about Canada, the challenge is long processing and strict paperwork. And that simple solution is apply early and complete all documents, including the biometrics. Then let's talk about Australia. The GTE requirement and health insurance can be the main challenge. But good intent statement and valid health insurance will ease your way. Then let's talk about Europe. Now, the main challenge can be different rules, language translations, and so the simple solution is follow each country's rules and use official translators. So, now let's talk about solutions because every problem has a jugaad, right? And every Indian knows about jugaads. One, stay informed and updated. Always check official embassy websites for the latest rules. Don't trust WhatsApp forwards or my cousin's friend's advice. Number two, organize and verify documents. Use a checklist. Check, double check, and triple check all documents. If you're not sure, ask your consultant or a trusted elder. The number three, start early. Apply as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last minute like you do for your assignments. The number four, practice for interviews. Prepare for common questions. Why do you want to study abroad? What will you do after graduation? Practice in front of a mirror, your family, or even your pet dog. And number five, work with reputable consultants. Pick consultants with good reviews and a proven track record. If they promise guaranteed visa, run in the opposite direction. Number six, maintain financial transparency. Keep your bank statements clean and easy to understand. Avoid sudden big transactions before applying. The number seven, prepare for contingencies. Always have a plan B. If one country's visa is delayed, be ready to consider another destination or intake. So let's make a quick checklist of mistakes you must avoid. Like you avoid spoilers before a big movie release. 1. Missing or improper documents. 2. Insufficient proof of funds. 3. Poor interview answers or lack of confidence. 4. Not showing intent to return to India. 5. Weak English language skills. And the tips to fix these: prepare your funds 3 to 6 months in advance. Diversify sources, savings, scholarships, loans, family support. Write a strong statement of purpose. Show you're serious about your studies and plan to return to India. The number three, take English language tests seriously. Practice speaking, writing, and listening. Aim above the minimum score and highlight your ties to India, family, property, job offers, etc. So let's break down the process step by step so even your little cousin can understand. Step 1, get your admission letter. First, get accepted by a recognized university. This is your entry ticket. Then step 2, gather your documents. You'll need passport valid for at least 6 months, admission or offer letter, financial proof, that is bank statements, loan letters, scholarship letters, then academic transcripts, then English proficiency test scores, IELTS, TOEFLs, etc. Then medical and police clearance if required, and passport size photos. No selfies, please. Proper formal photographs. Then step 3, fill the online application. Be honest and thorough. Double check every detail. Even a small mistake can cause big problems. Then step 4, pay the visa fee. Visa fee are non-refundable. So make sure you're ready before paying. Step 5, book your interview if required. For countries like the United States, book your interview early. Slot fills up fast. Then step 6, prepare for the interview. Practice common questions. Be confident, clear and genuine. Don't try to fool the officer. They have seen it all. Then step 7, submit and track your application. After submission, keep checking your email and the embassy website for updates. Step 8, plan for delays. Always have to buffer. Don't book your flight until you have your visa in hand. Now, if you're searching online for help, use keywords like study abroad consultants, student visa services, scholarship for international students, study abroad application guide, visa interview tips, study abroad checklist. Now, these will help you find the best resources and avoid fake news. Now, friends, the journeys to studying abroad is not always smooth. There will be bumps, delays, and maybe even a few tears. But remember, every challenge is a lesson in disguise. With the right information, a little planning, and a lot of determination, you can turn those visa hurdles into stepping stones. So don't let a piece of paper decide your future. Let your passion, your preparation, and your perseverance do the talking. And when you finally get that visa, remember to call your parents first. They deserve to hear the good news before anyone else. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just dream about studying abroad. Start preparing today. Make a checklist, gather your documents, practice your interview, and keep learning. If you ever feel stuck, reach out to a trusted consultant. Join a student forum or even message me on social media. Your dream is worth fighting for. And remember, the world is waiting for you, not just to study, but to shine. So go out there and show them what Indian students are made of. And this is Kapil Gupta signing off with one last thought. Visa problems are temporary, but your dreams are forever. Jai Hind and happy travels.